Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add content or import content to your Premiere Pro project. This video is specifically for beginners, and I'm talking to people who have just downloaded Premiere Pro or this is the first time they've ever opened Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So the first route I'm going to show you is if you're opening that Premiere Pro app for the first time. So let's open that app. This is what Premiere Pro typically looks like when you first open the app. You'll notice you are on the Import tab. If you ever just open your Premiere Pro project that's already been saved, you're going to be on this Edit tab. So the first route I'm going to show you is the Import tab. So this is just like your files in your directory on your computer here on the left-hand side. So if I click on desktop, this is gonna look the same as in my Finder, and I click on desktop. So all I'm doing is pulling content from my computer and adding it to Premiere Pro. So let's go ahead and find some content I want on here. See how it says local? So this is your device. This is your content. Okay, so I'm just going to add, and then once I have my content selected, you can select more than one. All you do is select import. Looks like this route adds content to my timeline as well. I don't want it to do that automatically, so I'm gonna delete that out. Maybe it does it for you. Maybe that's the settings. I already recorded this video, but just a note, if you're noticing your Premiere Pro looks a little different than mine, there's a little toggle down here, icon view, list view. I am using icon view. Okay, but everything else should still work the same. The other option is the tried and true drag and drop method. So I have my Finder pulled up. So I'm just going to drag and drop right here into this little area where our media is held in Premiere Pro. The next route I'm going to take is just right click in this, this little project media area. Just going to right click and select import. And then it's just like you're finding content on your computer, add the content you'd like. And once you have your content selected, click import. There we go, more content. Next, we're going to go to File up here, the File tab at the top, and select import. And then you follow the same prompts as before. Great, we're getting all this content in here. So that's the ways I know how to add content to your project. There is one little tip I want to show you here, is down at the bottom within, I don't know what this is called. This is just where your media is stored, but you can add folders to it to help you organize your content within your Premiere project. I use this all the time. Right down here, there's a new bin. That is basically a folder. If you don't see this new bin folder, then you'll have to open up, you'll have to widen this panel a little bit for it to start showing. Or you could just right click and select a new bin. Lots of ways to do everything on Adobe. 5 ways to do one thing, right? Okay, thanks for watching.